When photographing a portrait, the impression of the photo will change depending where the light is coming from. In this video, I will use a flash to show you how the photo will change depending on the direction of the light. I will use the Comet B360 flash and the Speedbox 70 softbox. First, we'll press the light directly in front and press the flash in a slightly high position. When the light is coming from the front, it gives a bit of a flat impression, and it looks like an ID photograph. When the light is from the front, you can show the shape of the figure very clearly. When it's a portrait, the eye, mouth, nose, and face shape can be seen clearly, so the lighting makes it end up looking like an ID photo. If you want to showcase makeup, it's good to use front lighting. Next, we place the light diagonally. With diagonal lighting, we can show the three-dimensionality and show highlights and shadows. The highlights and shadows will give a three-dimensional appearance. This will express the person's personality. Next, we will have lighting from the side. When you have lighting from the side, press the light lower to about the same height as the face. It will look like an evening sunset. Light from the side creates a dramatic look. Next, we'll do semi-backlighting. Semi-backlighting is light that shines toward the camera from an oblique angle. The light is shining from behind the person, so it acts as a beautiful headlight. In addition, the face is illuminated by light reflected from the surrounding walls, making it very soft. However, the face can become dark, so by using a reflector, you can make the light reflect onto the person so that the face will be softly lit, and the hair and the edge light will have a nice effect. How you place a light will depend on what kind of image you'd like to photograph.